In this video, I'll be sharing the exact things what I did to be at the place where I earn multiple four-figure income in USD dollars just doing 4 to 5 hours of work from the comfort of my home. So stay tuned with me till the end of this video that what I did to be at that place. You must have heard that so many coaches saying that earn more and work less. So this is true to some extent, but you have to put in the work in your initial years to get to that level. So this is what I'm going to break down in this video, that what I did in my initial years to get to that four-figure income in USD dollars. So number one step that made me a four-figure coach is investing in myself. The decision of investing in myself. So after fired 2 times from my corporate, I realized that I'm not someone who is meant for corporate. So I'm someone who cannot bring the best out of me when you are given a certain deadline that under this deadline you have to complete the work. So if you are into creative field, you cannot bring the best out of you when you are given a certain deadline. So comment below if this is something that resonates with you. So this was a very last graphic that I created for my ebook without any pressure. After that, started marketing, started enjoy marketing, and after getting result for my client, I wanted to learn more of marketing, and for this I decided to invest the big amount on myself. Though I was given a very usual reply from my husband and an indirect response from one of my friend that there are cheaper options available, but I was very determined to learn more to earn more, praying to God that please God don't hit me with any other financial emergency, as I had very limited fund during that time. So guess what, he listened to me as he always does, and this is where my journey started, where I started learning those skills. Imagine that multiple four-figure USD income would be possible without that investment. Absolutely not. As I always say that your intangible actions or intangible results get you to those tangible results. So you have to build that muscle to learn those skills, and it's just not like that God will come and say bacha le 4-figure le or 5-figure le. No, it's not like that. You have to put in the work to get to that level. Number 2 is build your confidence by living your own unique journey and developing your own unique way. So I build my confidence, as confidence is the key in building your coaching business. So from 2020 to 2021, so I implemented what I learned. So I gave almost 20 to 30 strategy calls to my ICA where I can better understand them. So what these free strategy call did to me, that first I got the data and I was practicing my skills, sales call skills, while doing these calls. So with every call I got so confident that now not having so much good communication skills to now talking to international people on these calls. So you have to get confident by practicing those skills or by whatever you are learning. So you have to practice, be it your content creation, be it you're doing sales call or any skills, because with practice every time you improve and you see where you are doing wrong and what you can improve, what you can do to get the result. So based on that research, I developed my own one-on-one coaching program where I help very determined coaches in developing their 4 to 5 figure coaching program by being an authority based on the research of that big solution that your ideal client wants. So where I spent a year to find the solution to 3 of the most critical phases of building a coaching business, where these coaches spend their time figuring out the niche, figuring out or understanding the content that build demand for them as a coach and their coaching business, where they're so scared to sell, where they are so scared to charge high ticket. So this is something I help these coaches overcoming inside their coaching business, where they can charge high ticket with confidence without wasting their time. So number 3 is alignment. Since I started my journey, many times I have this thought that my audience would be bored that every time in each my post I talk about alignment. But now when I reflect back, I can see if you are not aligned, be it your mindset, be it your energy, be it your voice or be it your strategies, you are going to suffer in your coaching business. So these are the three crucial things. If you align, nobody can stop you to become that badass confident coach whose confidence is unshakable. So instead of developing a money making offer, develop something that is life changing offer, and listening to your offer, your ideal client say, this is something that can change my life, this is something I want. So this comes from reverse engineering what your ideal client wants. And when you have that verified offer in place, you develop that confidence, you develop that mindset to charge high ticket for your offer. Say to yourself daily, remind yourself daily that I did the work and I have put my soul, my time, my energy in developing that offer that is life changing for my ideal client. So I am entitled to charge high ticket. So when you have those energies, when you have that mindset, you feel so aligned, you feel aligned to your purpose. I know many of you are money mindset, no problem, me too. But when we join that money mindset with the intention of service, where we want to change the life of our people, where instead of chasing people or chasing our goal, we believe in putting the work. Do what it takes to get to that goal. Give your 100%. So align your money mindset with purest energy of serving people, where you serve your purpose also. So when you are just getting started, most probably it is going to happen that your emotional energy is going to dominate your logical side. So try to balance both as soon as possible to serve yourself, to serve your people, and to serve your business. So this is where you become your most badass confident coach, where your energies, where your mindset, where your strategies all align to run a successful coaching business. So when you have everything in place, now it's time to apply those strategies. And you know what? When you have aligned your mindset, your energies, your confidence, your strategies works like butter, where your people can identify you, recognize you, that this is the coach I want to work with. So these were the things that helped me get to that level where I am earning that multiple four-figure income in USD dollars, where I decided to invest in myself even when the funds were very tight, where I developed that confidence by practicing my skills, and where I align these three crucial things: my mindset, my confidence, and my energies. So these things matter inside your business. So comment below that how did you find the video, and for more videos like this where you become an expert in creating content, where you get identified as a authority coach in your niche, do not forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. So I see you in the next video. Till then, enjoy and be who you are. And this is where my journey started. So though after